Hi, I'm Jana Stewart, owner of Modern Cleaning with my husband Tom Stewart. I'd like to introduce you to cleaning with dry steam vapor with tanks, one of the chemical-free tools in the Modern Cleaning chemical-free cleaning methodology. The window cleaner or squeegee is a wonderful tool when you desire a streak-free finish on a high-gloss surface, such as glass or chrome. In many locations, the presence of large expanses of glass or chrome remains uncommon, but when you have them, perhaps in a home overlooking the water or in an office setting with large glass windows, the window cleaner is invaluable. Once you've attached the squeegee according to manufacturer's instructions, the application is similar to what you've probably experienced with the window cleaner tool at the car wash or the gas station. Set the steam vapor or moisture level to 1. Press the trigger to release the steam. Move the squeegee window cleaner slowly and deliberately. Place a dry cloth underneath the tool to catch any residue as you clean. Remember to let the steam do the work for you. Resist the urge to press down with the tool. Agitation or pressure will not help the steam work any more effectively, but it may cause damage to the surface or may cause you to tire more easily. Remember, the removal tool is just as important as the cleaning and sanitizing solution. Modern Cleaning recommends the use of ultra-microfiber, especially a brand that includes an antimicrobial agent integrated into the cloth, such as Perfect Clean. And always remember to change cloths as each becomes too dirty or saturated to be effective. Now, before you take your hands-on practice quiz, you might want to review the procedures presented here with the video before demonstrating your proficiency to your supervisor. Happy cleaning!